Inside this trailer off of Taylor Boulevard is where police say 28-year-old Donnie Rowe severely injured his 2-month-old son.
The lady across the street there was holding Bryson in her arms, telling him to wake up, blowing in his face. He wouldn't respond to them.
Tiffany Miller lives next door to Rowe. She says when she noticed what was happening Friday night, she ran outside to hold the baby.
Bryson was pale white. He wouldn't even take a bottle. I tried to feed him, he wouldn't take a bottle. He kept pushing it away, whimpering, but he was going like he was gasping for air, couldn't breathe.
Experts say that is typical of what you see when a baby is severely injured. No one called an ambulance and the baby didn't get to the hospital until the next day. That's when he was put on life support.
It is gut-wrenching when you are breathing for them and you are supporting them with fluids and things like that, and you are, because we're not even worried about feeding them right now, we're just sustaining life. That is very hard to think of, much less watch.
According to Rowe's arrest information, a few days later, he admitted to hurting his son. Police list the injuries as multiple skull fractures, retinal hemorrhages, and other injuries consistent with abusive head trauma.
When we say abusive head trauma, that often means that the child was not only shaken, that they were impacted either into something, they were hit with something, or their body was thrown into something.
Neighbors say they wish Rowe had come to them before the baby was hurt.
Ask for help. Don't hurt the babies. Please don't hurt the baby.
Alright guys, back again with another video. It's getting real sickening and sad. Because whatever you got going on, you feel that you want to take it out on an innocent child. Or you can't handle the child, so you want to beat the baby. Like I stated in my last video, I have seen and heard so many child abuse cases less than a month. And these babies ain't even having a chance to live. 1 month, 2 months, 3 months old. They can't even crawl yet. And y'all want to beat them, and it's your own kids you doing it to. As I stated once before, if you cannot handle the baby, step out. Call someone else to come over and take care of the baby till you can handle yourself. Till you get yourself together. Y'all's getting ridiculous. Please, 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 please share these videos. It has to stop. These are innocent babies. They didn't ask to be here in this world. These are some blessings from the Lord. But y'all are beating these babies. Killing these babies. Y'all, I'm asking y'all to please share these videos. Share them. Let's get this word out. Let's stop it. It's been too many child abuse cases less than a month. This is my second video today of a child abuse case, and this happened this weekend. Please share, like, and subscribe to my videos. Hit the bell so you can be the first one to get my videos when I do post them. And again, if you see someone abusing a child, you know it's not right, call on them. Turn them in, because it could be your child. Again, please share and like, and most definitely subscribe. Thanks for supporting my videos. I know they could be so crucial and sad at times, but someone's got to do it. Thanks, guys.